Begin by opening the trunk of your 2019-2020 Hyundai Santa Fe. Locate the access panel or trim covering the taillight assembly. It's usually secured by plastic clips or screws. Use a plastic trim tool or screwdriver to carefully remove these fasteners. Once the access is open, you'll see the back of the tail light assembly. Disconnect the electrical connectors attached to the bulb sockets. Press the locking tab before pulling the connector off. Locate and remove the screws or bolts securing the assembly using a socket wrench or screwdriver. Gently push the tail light assembly from the inside out. It may be held by alignment pins or grommets. Carefully pull it out, guiding past obstructions. The assembly is now removed. Handle it carefully to avoid damage. With the taillight assembly removed, locate the specific bulb you need to replace, either brake or reverse. The bulb sockets are twist lock. Rotate the socket counterclockwise to release it from the assembly. Pull the old bulb straight out of the socket. Note the bulb type, usually a 7443 for brake reverse, with 21 watts for brake and 16 watts for reverse, to ensure you use the correct replacement. Insert the new bulb into the socket, making sure it's fully seated. Twist the socket clockwise to lock it back into the taillight assembly. Before reinstalling, test the new bulb by turning on the car and checking the brake and reverse lights. Align the taillight assembly with the vehicle body and gently push it into place, ensuring alignment pins are seated. Reinstall the screws or bolts that secure the assembly. Reconnect the electrical connectors to the bulb sockets, ensuring they click into place. Replace the access panel or trim inside the trunk, securing it with clips or screws. Finally, double-check all lights are functioning correctly after reassembly.